I did it. I cut my hair. Oh my god. So hi guys, welcome back to this really short, quick little vlog. This is just going to be talking all about my massive hair chop. I cut my hair. I did it. I told you guys in my most recent life update video that I was going to be cutting my hair, I was going to be chopping my hair off. I've been having some feelings of wanting change and I've been having some hair issues going on and I was just getting so sick of the long hair and I chopped it. So on June 29th, I had a hair appointment at 2:15. I went there and the hairstylist thought I was just getting like a trim up, like to trim off the dead ends. And she walked me over to the shampoo bowl and we were kind of talking. I was like, yeah, like I'm doing the chop today. And she was like, oh, you're chopping it. And I was like, yes. So she walked me back to the chair, which is when we did the big cut. I will show you guys that footage right now. I did film the big chop. She very graciously let me film, so I will include that now. I do want to apologize. I told my boyfriend that I wanted him to film it like this, so it would look better in the video, but he filmed it like this, and I don't know how to fix it or rotate it, so unfortunately it's filmed in portrait style and not landscape. I'm sorry about that, but here's me getting my hair chopped off as proof. I really did do it. This is not a wig. This is literally my hair.
You super nervous?
A little.
Yeah.
I'm used to it being so long. Cut it to here.
Okay.
First, and then we'll wash it, and then we'll cut it, and then...
So because we're going so short in the back, so I'm going to forward it from the short to the back. And then we'll go in and refine. Yeah. Are you recording?
Yeah, I got it.
No,
Yeah.
Boom.
Oh, there it is.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
So yes, I did it. I cut my hair and it was the most scary, freeing experience ever. I think the last time I had hair this short was like in 8th grade, I think, and you guys have never seen me with hair this short. Last time I went and got my hair cut was 7 years ago and I had it cut to about here. And then it's been growing ever since. It was down to like my hip bones and I cut it up to here. I think it was about 13 inches that I cut off in total. Absolutely insane. It was such a great experience. I was honestly, sorry, my air just kicked on, so if you can hear that, I'm sorry. But it was such a good experience. I loved it. I was nervous because like my hair was really long and I didn't know any different. Like I just knew myself with long hair, so I didn't know how I was gonna feel with short hair. But I'm on day 2 of having my hair cut and I freaking love it. It feels so good. It feels so light. It feels so healthy. I love it. I love it more than I probably thought I would. I was in quite a bit of shock yesterday. I would constantly go to like take my hair and put it off to the side like I normally would, and I would do that and I would be like, where's my hair? Where's my hair? But yeah, I'm definitely getting more used to it now. So I kind of went with a bob style, so it's short in the back and kind of tapers in the front. I didn't want it to be like super drastic like Rihanna from an Umbrella music video. I didn't want it like super drastic like that, but I wanted there to definitely be like a little bit of a swipe right here. So here's what it looks like from the front. I did straighten it a little bit, so here's what it looks like from the front. And then in the back, here's what it looks like in the back. So it's really short, like just below my neck, so it's really, really short in the back. But I absolutely love it. I am still growing my bangs out, but they're kind of in like that long, awkward phase. But I just have them for right now. It's gonna take a while for the bangs to grow out, obviously. She added in some layers right here to make it look a little bit thicker. And it feels so, so good. And I was honestly really nervous to post, because I took like before and after photos to post on Instagram. And I'm not gonna lie, I was really nervous to do that because I didn't know. I was like, oh my gosh, like, am I gonna get hate for this? Are people gonna say it's ugly? Like, I was so nervous. But honestly, I have not received one negative comment. I probably just jinxed myself. I have received nothing but love for my new hair. Like, you guys really, really like it, which I'm so grateful for. Thank you. This was definitely quite a big change. A very, 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 very big change that I can't believe I did, but I did it. It's crazy. And I just want to let you guys know, I do have, I believe, 2 or 3 videos that were pre-filmed before I cut my hair. So it's going to be a mixture of videos on my channel of when I have my long hair to now my short hair. So just keep that in mind. If you see a video that I filmed a while ago and I have long hair, don't be like, oh, I thought you cut your hair. I did. It's a pre-filmed video. But yeah, this is the new hair. You know, what do you guys think of it? It's been so nice. It's been so nice at work. I don't have hair falling in my area where I'm trying to work. Shampooing it takes like a minute. I only need like this much shampoo now. I colored it last night for the first time in like 8 weeks. So I touched up my roots so we have freshly black color. That took literally, because when I had my long hair and I would touch up my roots, it took like 30 minutes to do because I had all that long hair that I had to part through and sort through. But literally last night it took me 15 minutes to color my hair. Like, it was beautiful. A lot of people were saying they can't wait to see how I'm going to style it, which I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know what that means because like I've never had hair this short before, so like I don't know how to style it. How do you style it? Like, I have always been someone who's never styled my hair. Like, I always just leave it down. So I honestly just planned on leaving it down, but people keep saying they can't wait to see how I'm gonna style it. I don't know what you mean by that, but I do have a hair tie, so I want to try to show you like what it would look like if I try to put it in a ponytail. It's a really short ponytail, but oh my god. Okay. So this is my hair in a ponytail. It's a really, really short, and I still have like some hair that hangs down. So yeah, it's just a short little pony. It's so freaking cute. And maybe if I like wanted to do like maybe half up, half down. This is so weird. Just putting my hair in a ponytail. I'm so used to doing that with long hair. So with short hair, I'm like, what am I even doing? So there's kind of like the half up, half down moment. Super crazy. Yeah, for the most part, I've just been wearing it down, and then I'll basically like just touch it up with a straightener, because that's one thing is like when I had long hair, when I would go to sleep at night, I would wear it in like just a braid. Now I don't really need to like braid my hair or put it up anymore because it's not long anymore, so I just kind of go to sleep like this. So crazy. Like, I love the gradual, like from short to long. I love the layers. Like, I'm honestly obsessed with it, and I just feel so free. I definitely feel like I look the same but different. Like, I can't decide if I look younger or older. It's weird because like my long hair, I felt like was such a security blanket for me, and it was just a way I could like cover myself, and now I have like this new style, this new short hair, and I don't know, it's very, very different. I've never had hair this short before, or at least I haven't for a very, very long time. So yeah, this is all new to me, but I'm very excited. I feel so good. Fresh cut, fresh color. My stylist was so great. I've been to this hair salon before many years ago, but I've never had this hairstylist. This hairstylist my sister actually goes to, so I knew that when I scheduled my hair appointment that I wanted to go to her, and she was so great. She was so nice. She made sure that what we were doing is what we were doing before she actually cut anything. She, you know, was like, okay, here we go, and started cutting. That felt weird, okay? When she started cutting all that length off, it felt so weird. It's almost like I could feel it in my body that I was like losing a limb or something. It felt so crazy. I almost like wanted to mess with her a little bit and be like, oh, actually I changed my mind halfway through cutting it, but I didn't want to like freak her out or anything. I cannot believe I did it. A few hours before I actually went and got it cut, I was almost feeling like sick, like nervous sick. Like, you know, right before you're about to go to like a doctor's appointment or, you know, like a tattoo appointment, like I just got like those butterflies and that like nervous sickness. But once I actually got there and got inside, I was so much more comfortable. But yeah, you guys will have to let me know what you think of the new hair. Crazy, I know. And yes, it's my hair, it's not a wig. Thank you so much to everyone who gave me such positive words. Thank you to everyone who told me that they loved it on Instagram. I really appreciate it. It definitely made me feel better, you know, about it, just hearing everyone, you know, loving it and stuff. So thank you so much. I just wanted to make this quick vlog video, just sitting down and talking about my hair and stuff. So if you guys enjoyed and you love the new hair, make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. Thanks for sitting here and hanging out with me for a minute. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your weekend, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.